All right, here we go. We're gonna put in a 12,000 BTU mini split. First, you gotta take off this bracket. Hang this bracket up on some studs. There you go, cut a hole. Now you gotta hook up your electrical to the front, feed it through the hole, come out the back. This is your condenser, gotta mount your condenser. That's all done. Now you gotta get your microns down to -30 and you gotta keep them there. This is the disconnect. Got the lines all hooked up. The first one, you release the refrigerant, then the second one, and this little adapter you have to have for mini splits. And that is a pump, and that's it.